Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the OPPO Find N6, a smartphone that's all about pushing the boundaries of what a foldable device can be. Now, I've got to say, this thing is a beast. It's got some seriously impressive features that make it stand out in the market. Let's break it down and see what makes the Find N6 a game changer. First things first, the design. The OPPO Find N6 is all about that ultra-flat, ultra-flexible look. It's got a second-generation Titanium Flexion Hinge, which means it can fold with precision and create a flatter display with a shallower crease. This hinge is a big deal because it's built to last, and it's got some serious certifications to back it up. The auto-smoothing flex glass is another cool feature. It's designed to resist impact and pressure, and over time, it gently smooths out the crease, making the experience cleaner and more refined. It's like the phone is giving itself a makeover. Now, let's talk about productivity. The Find N6 comes with the Pocket AI workstation, which is like having a mini desktop in your pocket. You can open multiple apps, resize windows, and switch between multi-window and split view with smooth, natural control. It's a game changer for multitasking, and it's all thanks to the free-flow window feature. And if you're a creative type, the OPPO AI Pen is a game changer. It's the first AI stylus engineered for foldables, and it makes the process of thinking and doing seamless. You can think it, and it's instantly inked. The camera is where the OPPO Find N6 really shines. It's got a Hasselblad master camera system with a 50MP ultra-wide camera and a 70mm periscope telephoto lens. This setup gives you 120x super zoom and OIS stability. The 200MP Hasselblad ultra-clear camera with a 23mm focal length and a large aperture is a real standout. It captures exceptional clarity, true color, and rich depth. And the FlexForm camera lets you bend the phone to stand on its own, making it perfect for hands-free shots. AI Portrait Glow automatically applies the ideal lighting to your portraits, making them look balanced and flattering. Under the hood, the OPPO Find N6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with a 7-core CPU and the Trinity engine. This setup delivers blazing speed, fluid graphics, and smarter AI. The 6000 mAh silicon-carbon battery gives you all-day endurance, and the 80W wired and 50W wireless charging keep you moving fast. It's like having a portable power plant in your pocket. In conclusion, the OPPO Find N6 is a smartphone that truly pushes the boundaries of what a foldable device can be. It's got a stunning design, top-notch productivity features, an incredible camera, and powerful performance. It's a device that's built to impress and make your life easier. So, if you're in the market for a foldable phone, the OPPO Find N6 is definitely one to consider. It's a beast in every sense of the word.